What is up, everyone? We're packed up super early. We're headed down to Englishtown, New Jersey for the start of Drift Week. I'm not doing all of Drift Week, I'm doing a couple things of Drift Week, but the big thing this weekend is the LZ party invitation. What is the name? Like the opening of Drift Week, and it's gonna be a big event. There's gonna be a lot of people driving, a lot of awesome drivers. It's gonna be a lot of people. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm so tired. I've not stopped moving in the last 4 days. So, 3-hour drive, Englishtown. Coop's gonna do great. Tires everywhere. DJ actually showed up. Great day.
Perfect. Good morning. I want to know why everyone gives me shit when I go on road trips about my drink selection.
He's got an iced coffee from a local cafe. He's got an apple juice and a Bang energy drink. I don't know what he's doing. A Rain. Same shit. Let's hit the road. You ready?
Yep.
Good.
I've been ready.
He's pissed off.
DJ has this apple juice. You think he would ask, oh, you want an apple juice? No. So, when he's not looking, I'm going to open it. It's all set.
You're going to take my... Yeah, they're coming to him.
Raceway Park in Englishtown, New Jersey. Drag racing. There's no more drag racing here. The sign's old.
Ant's back here gambling. We do not promote this on the channel.
Why don't you just buy a scratch off?
See what happens.
If you would have hit 500 grand, we would have been like, he's the
Yeah, y'all would have been like, oh, you
All right, so this is probably one of the most famous tracks in the Northeast. It's probably one of the biggest drift culture areas of the Northeast, and I've only driven it once, like 3 years ago in my coupe actually, when it was completely unset up for it. And so this is my first time actually driving it finally, which is crazy to say, especially now I have a car that's properly set up for it, and it should just honestly be unreal. So look at Duarte just showing up, having the flex on everyone. Who's drifting one of those right now? Nobody. Where's the rest of the guys? Where do we park? How does this work? I'm new here.
Good.
Like he's done it before.
The boys are here. These are the tandem buddies today. We got Adam's S15, Sean's S15, my coupe. I think it's a good fit. Sean somehow managed to get his car back into one piece.
Look at it.
It wasn't even looking like an S15 for a while, but a couple body panels later, Sean, it looks like an S15 again.
Yeah, not bad at all, right?
Not bad at all. A little bit of car. LZ's back in the Northeast. Are you staying? Can you please stay? Can you just come on? Like a month. Just
see, here's the thing. I would love to move to Connecticut, but I think the internet would love for you to move to Florida more than they'd love for me to move to Connecticut.
How about we just snowbird it together? You come out to here in the summer,
be your snowbird.
And I'll come down to Florida in the winter.
All right.
See? Look,
that's fair.
Yeah, shake, boom. Yep, there we go. Okay. Sick. Now I got my extra.
Sick. I'm not ready to move yet.
We're coming.
We get to drive the full road course tomorrow. We're doing a little FD layout thing. Today, the course is so freaking long. Like, you get halfway through the course and you're like, should I straighten out? I don't even know if my car can make it to the end without overheating. We're gonna find out. So,
good worry.
yeah, let's try to keep the tires together, the engine together, and have a bunch of fun. Love to hear. All right, so first time out, my helmet. Yeah, we're GoProing. So haven't tested the car with the helmet kit other than like a quick drift in the parking lot. So honestly, I've never been so excited to drive this car. So it's gonna be great. Gonna be a good time. I'm so nervously excited. Oh my God. This track is huge. If I can make it through a whole lap without overheating, I'll be stoked. The cooling system is definitely the last big piece to make this car perfect. Okay, the entry's kind of weird. It's hard to see. It has so much angle. I gotta figure out what the hell the track is. Man, it's a whole different car. It's a whole different car. Different.
It's way different.
Way different. Way different. I mean, not only the track, way different. It's a little bumpy, and obviously every track has their gray areas. And so, like, you know, obviously every lap you learn a little bit more. Cars running hot per usual. This is a long track, so that's the next thing on the list. It's been the next thing on the list for a long time, but it's a whole different car. It actually feels like a set-up drift car now. Before, and really the whole time I've ever owned this car, I always had the moments of just like, whoa, you know, like way too many of those moments when you're driving and you're like, oh, didn't want to do that, you know what I mean? But this thing, it goes where I want it to go every time. Crazy. I just gotta figure out the transitioning thing, because before I used to have to like lock it in the transitions. This thing wants to be swung.
You feel like you got better control over it?
Oh yeah. Once I figure out the kit fully and I like know like the right swing point, game over. But besides that, dude, I tried to chase Grant. I couldn't see anything.
Dude, he is just creating clouds. Vape got out there.
Insane. I went behind Adam and I was like getting closer, and I was like, all right.
You looked like you were getting more comfortable with every lap.
For sure. That's the goal, right? So FTF angle kit, whole different fucking car.
Would recommend to a friend?
Would recommend the whole car. It feels like it should have felt years ago. I can't see anything. How am I supposed to see? Yeah, I'm not doing that. I can't see anything. Definitely was just avoiding throttle that round for some reason. Don't really know why, but I'll get used to it. All right, we got Donnie in the car.
Hello.
It's been a long time.
Very excited for
Nope. I couldn't figure out where I was on track.
Dude, I thought the course ended like 2 minutes ago. That was insane. Holy shit. You were ripping, dude.
Yeah.
Holy dude, that was gnarly. Especially towards the end, like over there, you get so much speed.
I know I should have shifted to fourth. But every lap I'm like feeling the track out more and more, so.
Oh, that was sick.
Make that.
Damn, all right. A little bit better that time.
Dude, I don't know how we did not go in that like
dirt
embankment.
Oh no, I thought we were gonna go off into the dirt bad. That felt crazy, huh?
And then it like sweat me. I don't know how. I don't know how.
Look who decided to show up. Man, my clutch pedal went to the floor on that last one. I don't know. I think I'm just clutch kicking too much. Alright, I need to give this car a break. I entered the bank, my clutch went to the floor, didn't come back up.
I felt something, it was like, oh.
Yeah, real bad time for that.
Point them out, G.
A whole lot of dude in one chair. So I was driving, right? Getting more and more comfortable, sick, loved the car, and my clutch was kind of dying on me. You know, it happens with the internal slave.
Lost it?
And I go in tandem with Rudnick, and I'm like losing it, so I'm trying to stay off clutch. And then I go on the bank, go to clutch in, clutch stays on the grounds. Bad time for that.
Bad time.
But I'm hoping once the car cools down, it'll be fine. But it's sick. It's so sick. I can't wait till I'm like used to it, but I'm getting there.
That got bad. I can't see anything. Nice work, boys. Butters.
Boy, Booth better get on that gas pedal.
Talk to him, Craig.
I'm gonna have to talk to him.
Oh, they're going so fast.
It was like the first time I feel like I'm not like trying to like drive around the car, but I'm actually like driving the car. And,
About time.
About time.
I drove like shit. I transitioned into the bank and couldn't see anything. That was absolutely terrifying. That was such a bad lap on my part, but man, do I love driving with these guys. awesome. That's awesome.
Yes, sir. Jaden's killing it. I'm very proud of him, especially being in the car. That boy knows his way.
Got the new setup.
That boy knows his way around the steering wheel. Let me tell you. The damn stick shift.
The goddamn stick shift.
Damn handbrake.
That goddamn what do they call them? Hydroponic
e-brake. Hydroponic.
Hydroponic e-brake.
What?
I need to shout out DJ real quick.
Shout out to DJ. What do you do?
Shout out DJ. Go subscribe to his channel, DJ No Way. Link in the description below. Thanks, DJ.
He bought you stuff, but not me.
Yeah.
All right, here you go.
That last was cool. So that clutch problem is getting bad. Like, I definitely might drain the fluid out tonight or something and put something better in it, because like me and Grant went out and I got stuck. And Grant almost stoved into me, but good thing Grant's a really good driver and knows how to be defensive and didn't destroy my car, which was sick. So I feel so guilty when I'm leading and like something bad messes up and I'm like, I'm so sorry, everyone. It was close.
It was close.
As far as like angle and all that stuff goes, I'm finally getting used to the car. Like, it finally feels like my freaking car, and like I'm not nervous in it anymore. The whole time I would drive it before, I was like nervous the entire time. Now it's just like, if I can keep my RPMs up, because I keep letting them fall, and I could like get the clutch not stick,
That'd be perfect.
it'd be perfect. But as of right now, I can't complain. So we're gonna wrap it up for tonight, pack everything up. Tomorrow we're gonna come and do the stadium and do all that. I might not film it because it'll be such a hectic day, but I hope you guys like today's GoPro footage. I really don't know what we got, but for now we're gonna end it. You guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. We'll see you guys very shortly.